Welcome to Crowded Market Report by Jason Shapiro. If you want more from Jason, subscribe to Crowded Market Report and get access to the CMR community, weekly reports, charts, and other exclusive content. Learn more at www.crowdedmarketreport.com or click on the link in the right corner.
Hello. Today is Saturday, November 25th, 2023. I'm Jason Shapiro with CrowdedMarketReport.com. So today I'm going to touch on a few themes that I'm sure I have touched on before, but there were some examples this week that bring it up. The main theme being, the best way to make money over time trading the markets is to look for the low-hanging fruit trade, right? And you can define that in your own way, what you think gives an edge over time. And you have to wait for those trades. Patience is the key to all this, People get very excited about the market. It moves up, it moves down, it moves all around. There's volatility, there's always money to be made. But the truth is there's always money to be lost, right? And you want to avoid those as much as possible, clearly. You want to wait for the very low-hanging fruit, right? However that is defined in your process, right? It's such a key element. You don't have to trade. That's the advantage to all of this, right? You have to be patient, right? If you're looking for excitement, then hey, trade away and go for it, right? But I can warn you that you're probably not going to make money over time that way. The way you're going to make money over time is via patience. Wait for the easy trade, okay? And they're never easy, but wait for that as much as possible and keep putting those type of trades on. And over time, if your process has validity, you can make money over time. So as an example, NVIDIA earnings came out last week. And, NVIDIA is sort of the center of the world here with the Magnificent Seven, and it's the most magnificent of the Magnificent Seven, and it's a huge growth company and the whole AI thing, and it's all very exciting, right? And the earnings are going to come out. But to trade, I'm not talking about if you're investing in the stock. That's one thing. But to trade a stock like that the entire world is focusing on, the day of earnings coming out, which is the big news event, right? To me, is just silly. First of all, everybody is looking at it. Well, if everyone's looking at it, then where is their edge, right? What are you doing that's different than everybody else, right? First of all. And second of all, I know people will come to me and say, oh, well, I shorted it, right before the earnings because I figured that the earnings would be okay, but everybody's already in the stock and therefore it was going to go down anyway. All right, and then you made money, so I don't know what I'm talking is crap here. But you have an equal amount of people that bought it, right? The earnings came out, immediately it went down. They bought it there, then it went up, and they figured they were heroes, and now it's gone down again, and so they're not, To me, there's just no edge there, right? I know a lot of people like to trade like Tesla. It's an extremely popular stock to trade. I mean, Tesla's gotten nowhere since June, right? Up, down, all around, but it's gone nowhere. So, and it's because everybody is so involved. Everybody has their eyeballs on this stuff. The more eyeballs that are on something, clearly, the less edge there's going to be because you're battling that many people out there. So why would you want to play in that arena? And again, if you want to invest in Tesla or be short Tesla for that matter, that's fine. But as long as it fits within your edge, right? Oh, maybe you're a value investor and you think Tesla's overvalued, you're short. Okay, fine. Maybe you know a lot about electric vehicles or you have a view on, how Tesla's going to lose market share and they're lowering price and that's going to hurt their margins. Okay, fine. But there's got to be a better place to play because everybody knows all the things that I just said. I don't trade Tesla. I have nothing to do with Tesla. And I know all those things just right off the top of my mind. So where's the edge is my question. And that's what you have to focus on. Where is there going to be an edge, right? And how are you going to wait until that edge presents itself? And keep doing trades like that where you have edge, the edge presents itself, and you try to take advantage of that. And again, it's not always going to work, but if you're doing that over time and your edge is good, then you should make money over time, which is the game here. And again, if you're looking for excitement, hey man, trade NVIDIA pre-earnings, right? But over time, good luck trying to make money thinking like that, right? Edge, process, patience, discipline. These are all the things that are going to do a much better job of making you money over time trading than I'm going to trade the most watched security in the world at the most watched time that it happens. All right, just my view. Always happy to hear questions and comments. Please, if you enjoy this, press the like button, and we'd love to see you at CrowdedMarketReport.com. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a profitable week.
Subscribe to Crowded Market Report by Jason Shapiro.